Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up and then use Garmin Coach. So Garmin Coach is currently available on the Forerunner 45, 645, 245, and 945, the Vivoactive 3, and then the Fenix 5 series. So if you have one of those watches, then you should be able to access Garmin Coach. Garmin Coach is a training program that Garmin has put together, and right now they have training programs for a 5K, a 10K, and then a half marathon. This includes adaptive training programs based on your current experience level. So if you're trying to do your first 5K or even just trying to get back into running or get better at running, Garmin Coach can be a great way to do that. So through following the steps in this video, you should be able to set up Garmin Coach and get started in reaching your new running goals. So the first thing we're going to need to do is go to our phones and open up the Garmin Connect app. Once you're in the Garmin Connect app, simply open the menu by selecting these three lines at the top, and then you'll find training right here. Select training. And the training plans is actually going to be Garmin Coach. So like I said before, they currently have 3 different training programs, 5K, 10K, and then half marathon. In this tutorial, I'll be going over the 5K program. So we'll select that. And it gives a brief overview. As you can see, the duration is 6 to 20 weeks. That means that it's going to be reactive to how you're doing in your running. So it may take longer if you're a newer runner, but if you're an experienced runner, it'll take a lot less time. And right here, it says personalized workouts on your device. So after we set it up on the phone, I'll show you how to access it on your watch. So let's go ahead and set up the plan. So the first step is just configuring Garmin with your current running experience. Do you run at all? Are you running 5 to 10 to 25 miles a week? I'm going to do I don't run at all. After that, we'll select next. And then after that, we configure what our actual goal is here. Do we want to complete the 5K by running and walking or just running? Or do we want to actually meet a timed goal when running this 5K? I'm going to select just run. After that, we select our coach. So Garmin has partnered up with 3 different very experienced runners. And we can choose any of these as our coach. Some of them have more workouts per week than others. So you just have to go through and kind of watch the videos about them and decide which one is best for you. I'm going to go with Jeff Galloway. After that, we configure the days of the week that we're available for training. I'm just going to leave it at all 7 days. And then we configure the day that we want to be doing our longest run of the week. So I'll leave it at the default on Saturday. In the next step, Garmin is encouraging us to find a race event, so a 5K near us that we can actually have as our goal to compete in once we've completed our goal here. So this is really cool, and I'll just select find an event. We can see how well this works. Put in my city. So that's pretty cool. It found a ton of races around me and it has the date and then the name of them. And then you can actually select one of these and then you can select create plan. That'll mark the completion of your Garmin Coach with the selected race at the end of your Garmin Coach program. So I'm going to select create plan. And now it is actually creating the plan with all the configuration that I completed. And my first day of training is actually today. So that's very cool. Now that we've created the Garmin Coach 5K training plan, as you can see, it has me working out today for around 9 minutes, and then there are 2 more workouts this week. Now it currently expects me to complete this in 11 weeks. Like I said, this is adaptive, so if I was not doing a good job of completing the training plans, it would actually extend that out so that I can get a little bit better and work up to the goal. You also have some helpful videos in here created by your coach. So I'm going to go ahead and select in. We can see what this all looks like. So then my workout today is going to be a 2-minute warm-up, where I just walk or jog, and then I run for 5 minutes with a 2-minute cool down. I can go in, I can see my workout schedule for the rest of the week. So today is July 4th. I have my workout. On Saturday will be my next workout, with tomorrow being a rest day. So as you can see, the workout details for Saturday have not actually been created yet because they want to see how well I do today. I also have the option of seeing all the future weeks and when I'll be working out, which is really cool because you can kind of get used to that schedule. You can see if you have any conflicting events or anything in your life that's going to prevent you from doing that. Very cool. So now that we've created the Garmin Coach 5K training plan on our phone, we can access it on our watch. I'll be accessing it right now on a Forerunner 45. And all you need to do is find the Garmin Coach widget. Now, if you don't have that widget currently active, you can activate it by going into the menu. On any of the Forerunner watches, you hold the up button to open up the menu. And then you just find widgets, and then it should be in there. If it's not in there, go to add widgets, and then you should be able to find it in the widgets that have not been activated. Now we're on the Garmin Coach widget right here. And as you can see, it's telling me I have a benchmark run. If I select into it using the start or stop button, I can actually start the workout and do my benchmark run, or I can view the 3 steps, the warm up, the run, and then the actual cool down. I can also select into any of these and see a quick note about it to let me know exactly what I have to do during that time. Run strong, walk if you need to. I really like that they include the notes there because it's really important to let people know, like, hey, if you need to walk, go ahead and walk. This is an adaptive program. We can always slow it down for you if needed. Another thing to note is it also adds the workouts to your calendar, so you get a nice reminder there as well. Really cool. I'm going to go ahead and do the benchmark run, and we'll see how it goes. As you can see, you first select what you'll be doing it on, indoor track, treadmill, or just running. I'm going to select running. So now it started the GPS. So I'm in the warm-up phase, and as you can see, it gives me a countdown. It also shows the bar of progress and then my distance. So after you actually complete the workout, it gives you a way to actually rate how hard it was for you. I'm going to go ahead and just say moderate. And then that'll be saved with your activity. So now that I've actually completed the first workout, it looks like my estimated 11 weeks is still the same, but I can also go into my next workout. I can see what that looks like. So a 10-minute warm up with a half a mile run and then a 10-minute cool down. They also added 3 more videos for me to watch, just so I can get more information on how to continue being a better runner. So that's how you set up and use Garmin Coach. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin reviews or tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.